Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? I've got a great video for you here. I'm going to show you how to raise your conversion rate on Shopify and also raise your profits by increasing trust. And we're going to do this through a variety of different ways. And really what I want to talk about is when you increase trust, you increase your money in your pocket, your profit, your revenue, your sales. When you're an e-commerce entrepreneur, you need to do everything you can to increase trust. That means great branding, lots of reviews, reviews visible everywhere, right? Integrated into your theme, easy contact information, fair return policies. These are all great ways to increase trust, right? To really just make the customer say, okay, I'm comfortable putting my credit card into this site. And out of all of these, reviews are definitely number one, right? Not only having a lot of reviews, but making it very easy for the reviews to be integrated into your theme. And that's what we're going to talk about here. Unfortunately, there are a few pain points that you might run into. Most specifically, there's no built-in review system for Shopify. As crazy as that sounds, Shopify has really let app developers kind of lead and handle everything about reviews. That means you're going to need to go and pick through, tons of different apps that are out there now that help you handle reviews. I'm going to show you the one that I use. But adding the review app is just step one. We need to import reviews. We need to generate reviews ASAP. And why is that? Well, if we have our review app integrated, but we don't have reviews, well, no reviews or 0-star reviews, that's the same as bad reviews, right? The reviews are meant to not just be a fancy feature in your website, they're meant to increase your conversion rate. So when you add reviews, you also need to have a plan about where you're going to get those reviews, right? When you add the review app, I should say. So some apps, I'll show you the one that I use again, allows you to actually import reviews, let's say through something like Oberlo or Dropify or Importify or Spreader. You could do one-click import reviews there. I'll show you how to do that. You also need to generate or incentivize new reviews, right? You're not just going to have static reviews. You hope to achieve new reviews to continuously freshen up your site and increase that conversion rate further. So how do you set up reviews correctly? I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And it's super easy when you use Opinew. And you see the link below this video. You see the link on the screen as well. That's the Opinew app. It's called Opinew Product Reviews App UGC. It's all about those reviews, that social proof, the ability to go ahead and request reviews, the ability to showcase them in any theme super easily without any type of code. You can match the style of your emails as well, integrate into your emails. One-click review imports. So we immediately have reviews in our stores. It's incredibly powerful. Let's go over the shoulder and I'll show you more about this great app. So this is the Opinew app and you see the link directly below this video. First of all, I want you to pay attention to the massive 4.8 out of 5-star review on over 850 reviews. The bottom line is this app is the best choice for reviews, for showcasing reviews, for importing reviews, for matching your theme and getting things set up. Incredibly easy, and again, you see the massive review score proving that out. I mean, a lot of people have been having great success using this app, and again, you see that in the review score. So some of the main features that you are going to kind of jump into immediately. Obviously, you'll install the app. You go directly to this link over here, apps.shopify.com/photo-reviews. Again, the link is directly below this video. And you'll click the Add App button. It's a free app to install. You'll get that in your store immediately. Then you'll be able to jump into the core features. So first thing I want to call attention to, importing eBay or Ali or Amazon reviews. So really right off the bat, you install the app and then you go and import reviews. What does this do? Well, it immediately increases your conversion rate. This is one of the few apps out there where you're literally just a couple of clicks away from increasing your conversion rate, increasing your sales, increasing your profit, and putting more money in your pocket. And this removes all of the hassle of populating your store with reviews. You don't need to copy and paste. You don't need to right-click and save images. Everything automatically gets sent over, and you could do this through any of the popular dropshipping apps like Oberlo, Dropify, Importify, Spreader. You're going to be able to import reviews with one click for all your products. Incredibly powerful. And of course, like everything with Opinew, they have really great support and documentation. Just a couple of steps and you'll be able to literally import all of the reviews from wherever you want. And that's going to immediately populate your site, your store, with reviews. And remember, we're talking about having full reviews in there, so it immediately looks like a full, vibrant site, a trustworthy site. It makes your store look like there's been lots of customers, lots of happy customers as well. And like I said from the start, that is going to be an incredibly powerful way to increase your conversion rate and profits. One of my favorite features in here is requesting product reviews. This is something that needs to happen all the time. Now, the best part about this app is that you're going to be able to request product reviews, basically literally reaching out to your customer saying, hey, we hope you're enjoying the product. And of course, you can customize this language. We hope you're enjoying this product. Give us a product review. And we could do that through email. We could do that through SMS. We can get photo reviews. We can get video reviews. And really the best, most effective part about it is that we can incentivize people to give the reviews. And I'm not really massive on using coupons, right? I don't like discounting a lot. I think you train the customer to go and search for promo codes. There are definitely times when it's 100% worth it, 1,000% worth it to offer coupons. There is a direct monetary value to having reviews, especially photo and video reviews. We do whatever we can to get those. Whether that means giving free shipping, a free product, 50% off, give them something that is actually a good incentive to make them do this, because it is a little bit annoying for the customer, right? But if they can do it, and again, Opinew, the app makes it incredibly easy for them as we go ahead and make those requests over SMS or over email, incentivizing them is going to just make them do it a little bit faster and a little bit better. Another thing that I really love about this app, it's incredibly easy to match up the theme with the Opinew widget. All right, so we're not just talking about slapping on a ugly little list of reviews. What we're going to be able to do is have full customization of all the styles in terms of the widget, in terms of the emails, right, when we go out there and request product reviews. All of these different ways to kind of integrate the app, they happen incredibly easy. No code required. Everything is just visual. What you see is what you get. Very easy to match the right colors, the right fonts. And one of the first things we talked about to increase your trust is to focus on really great branding. Opinew understands that, and they make sure that all of the reviews and all the widgets and all the emails 100% match your theme for that full seamless integration. That's incredibly important. We don't want to sacrifice style or design or overall kind of branding to add in reviews. We want to have great branding and we want to have great reviews, and Opinew allows us to do that very, very easily. I really also want to call attention to SEO. All right, this is something huge. Search engine optimization. When you see on Google the actual stars or reviews in the actual search results, this is called rich snippets. And luckily, Opinew integrates fully with Google reviews, with rich snippets, to make sure, even with Google shopping reviews, to make sure that everything is optimized to not only show the images, but to also show the review score right inside the search results. And really great support. 24/7. Always available, whether it's with installation or with the theme or the branding or reaching out for reviews or importing reviews, whatever it is, they have really, really great support. And that's a huge thing, especially if this is your first time working with a review app. It's great to know that they're always right there, immediately available. So we'll take a look at the example store that they provide over here. You could see some of Opinew in action, literally incredibly powerful. And this will work with any theme that you want. And you see one section right over here, right, our little Opinew reviews widget showing our 4.8 stars on 1,100 reviews, and we see implementations in different sections. Right, we have our little our featured product section. We show our reviews right over here. We have a individual product, and we show our reviews right under the title. Right, we have our little review widget here in terms of our testimonial quotes that show nicely inside over in this little slider section. And again, we could have it in the footer as well. So lots of different ways to integrate, and you see that it works perfectly. It looks and feels perfect to our theme, and we have all the reviews literally in all these different sections. I'll show you again over here, looking real good, right inside the product title. So when we're talking about decision making, right, this is the decision making section right here. We're going to have this little boost. Of course, we could just have the title, the price, the quantity, and the add to cart, or we could have a 5-star review showing with 300 reviews, right? This is going to increase the conversion rate. This is going to increase the likelihood that our customers press this add to cart button, and that's incredibly important. Here's another little implementation. This is for a dropshipping store, which a lot of you are going to be running, right? We see right inside of the collection page, we have all the reviews shown. We come into the product page again. We have that right inside the decision-making area. So Opinew knows exactly what's going on. They know exactly how to do reviews correctly. This isn't just about adding in reviews. This is a fully start to finish review app for you that's going to handle everything. It's going to handle the implementation. It's going to handle the importing. It's going to handle requesting reviews. It's going to integrate with your theme nicely. There's even a feature called Review Assistant, which is only going to present the best reviews to your customer. Literally, it's going to filter out only the best, most helpful, more importantly to you, highest converting reviews to the top of all of the review listings. And this is just going to happen automatically, or what they like to call automagically. And it's really something interesting. It's going to basically put reviews on autopilot, and it's going to really leverage the full power of reviews. So a lot of great features inside here, totally free to install. Make sure you get this app. This is a definite must install for any store, any Shopify store out there. So I really hope this video helps you out. I hope it helps you make some money. And again, install the app right there. You see the link below this video, and I hope this helps you out. Talk to you soon.